Hi everyone, it's Design Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about how to coordinate patterns together. One thing I want you to be aware of: when I design a wallpaper collection, I always flow my patterns. So let's have a look through the Anthology collection and see what's going on. So first of all, you love blue and you want to flow blue through your home, and you love this sort of soft aqua color. Well, you could start with this. This is a beautiful vinyl, very washable, looks fantastic in a powder room or in a kitchen or a dining room. And then down the hallway, you see, you can use this beautiful faux grass cloth. It has all different types of blues, so it carries the aqua from here into this texture. Then you can use this in a dining room, which is a fun novelty print. I love novelty prints because they make a statement, they help create, a story in your room, and you have lots of colors you can decorate around. You can pull out the greens with that soft aqua blue, you can pull out the sort of burnished gold that's in the bird cage. So the idea is our patterns flow in the book to help you pick patterns that go together. We also have beautiful murals in our books. And if you look at each group, we have some fun novelty prints. So with this one, you see, if I had this in a Jack and Jill bathroom or a guest room, you could put this in the powder room, which is very fun. It's got little silver spots on it. So that's how we coordinate things, because I want to help make it easier for you when you're decorating. You don't have to be a designer, or even if you are a designer, please have a look through our wallpaper books. We have some really stunning patterns, and we just want to make life easier so you can have your home flow beautifully with color and pattern. Until next time, enjoy your wallpaper.